Moreton. My name is Tia and I've got my friend Cassie. Are you excited for rhyme time, Cassie?
So excited.
Oh, I'm glad we're doing this.
Yep.
Alright, what are we going to start with?
Okay, so I think we need to start with the acknowledgement to country first.
Alright.
So I think we just follow the actions along and then we should be all good.
Okay.
Okay, so here is the
The
land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, and we're on gubby ground. Good job.
Cool.
Okay.
Alright, well, let's do our welcome song. Ready?
Okay. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today?
I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited.
I'm pretty pumped.
Alright, let's go. Let's find our toes. Tickling fingers. Ready? A tickle for your toes. A tickle for your nose. A tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low. A great big hug to say hello. Ooh. What could we start with?
I don't know. I think we might little bit of help just to get it started.
I just found a rabbit.
Peter, what are you doing back there?
Morning, Cassie. He's ready. He said that he would like to do Little Peter Rabbit.
Yeah.
Ready? Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose, so he flipped it and he flopped it and it flew away. Little Peter Rabbit had a prickle in his paw. Little Peter Rabbit had a prickle in his paw. Little Peter Rabbit had a prickle in his paw, so we pulled it and he pulled it and it came right out. Oh, thanks, Peter Rabbit.
Good job, Peter.
All right, off we go. Okay, who might
he
say
goes.
this?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you know Grandma's glasses?
Oh, how does it go again?
All right, these are Grandma's glasses,
Okay.
and we're gonna have Grandpa's glasses as well.
Okay.
Ready? Let's go. Here are Grandma's glasses. Here is Grandma's hat. This is the way she folds her hands and lays them in her lap. Here are Grandpa's glasses. And here is Grandpa's hat. This is the way he folds his hands and has a little nap. Wake up. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
All right. Okay. I'm going to go my rocket ship up. You ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
So, we're going up as high as we can go. We're going down, we're going down, we're going way down low. Ready? Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. All right. What would you like to do next?
Oh. Golem.
The gloom. All right.
It's my favorite one.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Ready? Everyone's got their froggies? Glump went the little green frog one day. Glump went the little green frog. Glump went the little green frog one day, and the frog went glump, glump, glump. But we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, they don't go glump, glump, glump. Ooh, I think they might be an echidna now.
An echidna? What do they do?
They're gonna screech and scratch. Ready? Scritch, scratch went the spiky echidna one day. Scritch, scratch went the spiky echidna. Scritch, scratch went the spiky echidna one day, and they all went scritchy, scratch, scratch. But we all know echidnas go roly-poly roll, roly-poly roll, roly-poly roll. We all know echidnas go roly-poly roll. They don't go scritchy, scratchy, scratch. What would you like to do next?
I like penguins. They're really cuddly and fluffy.
Like snug hug.
You like snug hug?
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Okay.
Snug hug went the fluffy penguin one day. Snug hug went the fluffy penguin. Snug hug went the fluffy penguin one day, and they all went snuggy hug hug. But we all know penguins go flappy flappy flap, flappy flappy flap, flappy flappy flap. We all know penguins go flappy flappy flap. They don't go snuggy hug hug. Could we have a kangaroo?
Oh, I don't see why not. We are in Australia.
Great. I think it's gonna hop. How are we gonna hop?
Oh, I think
Like
that's
this? Hop this?
like a little hop.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Hop, hop went the little red roo one day. Hop, hop went the little red roo. Hop, hop went the little red roo one day, and they all went hop, hop, hop. But we all know roos go boingy, boingy, boing, boingy, boingy, boing, boingy, boingy, boing. We all know roos go boingy, boingy, boing. They don't go hop, hop, hop. Wow, that was great fun.
It was. All those animals, I think they're all mostly Australian except for the penguin.
I know. And you know, we've got froggy puppets that you can do to glom for home with as well.
Errol.
Errol the frog. Should try that one.
Yes.
All right. We're going to do another one of my favorites called Tock. Okay? If you're a baby, you can hold them up. It's a great exercise workout as well. All right, so
Okay.
tick tock, I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, stop. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Cuckoo. Ready? Two. Tick tock, I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, stop. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Cuckoo. Tick tock, I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, stop. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Cuckoo. Tick tock, I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock, stop. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. Cuckoo. Wow.
Cookies.
That is a lot. What will we do before we start doing our goodbye songs?
Okay, I think we should do a nice relaxing one that mums can do with their babies on their back. X marks the spot.
Alright. You ready for that one, Peter Rabbit?
I think
Okay.
X
Marks the spot with a circle and a dot. Up the ladder, down the ladder, spot. Feel the breeze, feel the squeeze, and have a cuddle if you please. Oh, that was lovely. Can we do that a second time?
We should do
X marks the spot with a circle and a dot. Up the ladder, down the ladder, spot. Feel the breeze, feel the squeeze, and have a cuddle if you please. Thank you.
Fantastic.
All right. What should we do now?
Okay, we go to our tickly song next, I
Ooh,
believe. We're
fingers
back with our
ready.
tickles. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, a great big hug to say goodbye.
Okay, thank you so much for doing baby rhyme time with us, and thanks for helping me, Cassie.
Oh, it's all good. It's been a pleasure.
All right, ready?
Okay.
Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you